Hello friends, welcome back to my channel that is KP's Craft and DIY. Today I'm going to show you that how to make clear nail paint at home. So let's get started. Firstly, I take Fevicol. This is the requested video. I take 1 teaspoon Fevicol. And secondly, I add glycerin in it. I take very small amount of glycerin. If you're not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and like, share my videos. And yeah, if you want another any makeup hack, then please let me know. Mix it well. You have to mix it well. Testing time. It's work 100%. It work. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.